Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to migrate users from Joomla 1.5 to Joomla 1.6 using our component Joomla ARA user import export. I'm here in the user manager of Joomla 1.5. As you can see, I have an administrator, I have two registered users, a manager, an author, publisher, and that's it. I'll go to the Joomla 1.5 installation, and now let's install the component. As you can see, it's installed very easily, just like any other component. So in Joomla 1.6 we have mostly the we have kept the main features from Joomla 1.5. As you can see, the user export is the same as we talked before in our previous tutorials. The user import also keeps the main functionality in Joomla 1.5. Now here we have an interesting page. We have a feature for additional columns. So if you have additional columns in your Joomla installation for users, here is the place to enter them. You can enter the columns here, the default values here for the columns, and you have the same functionality from the user import, the field separator, the override options, etc. Here we have a special tab for the UTF-8 import and export. We have a very nice statistics page here, but I'll show you that more in detail after we make the import. So what you need to be careful here, I'll show you just a second. Most of the times we use the same administrator user for both our Joomla installations. So here I have admin, I have a sample email admin around admin.com. As you can see here, we have the same data, so be careful when you make the import. I'll show you just a second. I'll export the users from Joomla 1.5, name, username, email. I'll choose password, user type, register date, let's visit date, because that's what I usually would want in a migration in my Joomla 1.5 new database. The field separator is comma, the file type is CSV. So let's export. Alright, let's see the export file. So we have name, username, email, password, user type, register date, last visit date. I don't want the administrator to be overwritten or updated, so I'm simply going to keep this user also, but as a backup. So I'm gonna save that file. Alright, I'm going to our component, user import, browse, where did I put it, downloads, and import, and poof, that's it. So let's go into the user manager to see if I'm right. Yeah, we have our super user, our old administrator, we have the second backup administrator, and we have all our users. This is the page I like the most. It displays some graphic statistics here. As you can see, the registered are 25% of our users. Also, we can choose the register date to filter by. We can use the last visit date to filter by, or the activated users, etc. For example, if we choose administrator, here it will show us on the right hand side the users selected, the total users from database. This will actively refresh in the same page with Ajax. Let's make another export from Joomla 1.5 to see if it's the same, and export, open. And here it is. We have the same information from Joomla 1.5, the same users, as you can see here. The username which I've made the installation by, and the backup username. So that's it. Thank you for watching.